You're probably calculating your deposit wrong. Let us show you the right way. Start with the price of the home you're looking at. We'll enter $800,000. If you don't have an exact number yet, use your target budget or the price range of the property you've seen online. Next, enter how much you plan to borrow. A simple way to estimate it is by subtracting your deposit from the property value. We'll put in $700,000. Type in the amount you've saved or set aside for your home. In this example, that's $100,000. Don't include money you might get later, only what you actually have access to. Choose the state or territory you're buying in. We'll select NSW. Stamp duty and specific fees vary by state, so please select the correct one. If this is the first time you're buying a home, click Yes. In our example, we'll choose Yes, so the calculator can factor in any first home buyer benefits that might apply. Then choose how you'll use the property. Here, we'll choose primary residence because you plan to live in the home. If it's going to be a rental or investment, you choose investment instead. Next, select the type of property. We'll choose new home. If you're buying an older house, pick established home or vacant land if you're buying a block of land. If you're buying, click purchasing a property, like we're doing here. If you already own a home and just want to switch loans, you choose refinancing a loan instead. Finally, answer whether you're a foreign buyer. We'll choose no in this example. If you're not an Australian citizen or permanent resident, you'd select yes, and extra fees may apply. Then click calculate to get the results. At the top, you'll see your property value, which is $800,000, and the final loan amount, which is $712,327.95. The final loan amount may be higher than $700,000, as it may include lender's mortgage insurance and other applicable fees. Next is the estimated costs, which is $15,029.35. Click the arrow to see the breakdown. You'll see things like government fees, LMI of $12,328.20 because your deposit is under 20%, lender fees, and an allowance for legal costs. This gives you a realistic picture of the extra money you need on top of the property price. Under available funds, you'll see your $100,000 deposit. If you qualified for a grant, it would also appear here. Here is your LVR, loan to value ratio. Ours is 89.04%, which means you're borrowing about 89% of the property value and putting in about 11% as a deposit. Once this goes above 80%, most lenders charge LMI unless you qualify for special policies. Now look at these two lines. The estimated total deposit tells you roughly how much money you need to comfortably complete the purchase, including fees. Here it's $102,701.40. The deposit deficit shows whether you're short. In our example, the deficit is $2,701.40. So with a $100,000 deposit, you're about $2,700 short of covering everything. A deficit doesn't mean you can't buy a home. We just have to look at other options like saving a bigger deposit, a different loan structure, a low deposit loan option. Explore if LMI can be waived. If you'd like one of our experts to look at your numbers, click Get Expert Help on the calculator or call us on 1300 889 743. We'll go through your results with you and work out a plan that feels realistic and achievable.